spiritual enough to administer spirits to you in form of medication. And there is nothing wrong in you eating the roots of a tree. There's nothing wrong. Someone here feels so liberated. Oh, now I can go in. You have been eating roots. Potatoes are roots. Yam is a root. Cassava is a root. Sweet potatoes, carrots are roots. All right. If you get a herb and the herb is put into your body and it helps you recover, that's not the work of a sangoma. That is the work of God.
So this is rather interesting.
Uyikholwa njengamanje ulalele uthi umuthi wena usebenzisa because uyikholwa. Umuntu uNkulunkulu memakha umakhe ngomhlabathi wavela emhlabathini. Nomuthi uyimpande evela emhlabathini. If usebenzisa a root, impande it's like you. If uthi impande kaSathane uthi nawe ungowaSathane because nerice olidlayo litshaliwe it is a root. Igcobo igcobayo omkhulu it is a root. Yes.